Yeah, this is the screen what we have now. So this is my, what I told you, Praveen, this was the user ID. I am giving the password. And then we have gone into the SAP system. So Praveen, you take over from here and tell me
Yeah,
you are
just go to the
explaining
accounting. Yeah, just go
accounting.
to
I will go to accounting. Yes, accounting
then
I have gone.
financial accounting,
Financial accounting,
general ledger,
general ledger,
master data.
master records. Yeah,
Yes, yes,
master records. No.
yes.
Okay, master records,
Then GL account,
GL accounts,
individual processing.
individual processing.
Here is the T code FS00 and FSP1 and these things are there, FSS0. Here we are creating the GL account, and if you go to the display changes,
Display
display
change.
changes. Below that.
Yeah, below that. Okay.
Yeah. Here, if you will execute this transaction, you are able to see what are the changes has been done in those particular GL account. You have
Yeah,
to
chart of accounts or company code or central, isn't it?
centrally.
Now you please explain to them how to take this FS04, okay, or FSP4 and FSS4 into the favorites. The favorites are there, some favorites we have created and left. So can you just explain? So tell me how we go about it. These three transactions to go as a, or can we take the yeah, please. We want to make it as favorite.
Just click on the favorite on the top.
This one, okay.
Top, yeah, just right click.
Yes.
Yeah.
Insert transaction.
Yes.
Then I will write F.
Tick. Yes.
Yes. 04. Am I right?
Yes, correct.
Now, friends, in the favorite, this transaction has gone. Suppose I want to go to one more favorites, right click. The moment I right click, it says delete all favorites, insert a folder. Suppose we can do a insert a folder. We will just do that for the moment. Then you will say audit. Let's say audit for the time being. We'll not get into too much. Now in audit, you right click and then you say insert transaction. Then you say F S P4. When I click that, now I get this. Now I go back to audit and then again I right click and I can go to the transaction. Then I now say F S 0. And when I say okay, now favorite folder, suppose I leave this, audit is a folder. These are all individual things. Now within audit, when I go and click, I get this. This is the GL account master record in CO mode. GL account changes in chart accounts. This is where you can go and see when you go for the audit. And like that in master also, you can create your own favorites. And I will explain what I will do. I will now go out. How do I log out? Praveen?
/NEND /N and END
Dash END.
NEND /NEND.
Okay. Now it says unsaved data will be lost. I have not done any data. So let me come out. Then I will again log in now. I'm getting into the client system after 3 months using my user ID login, and I have all these favorites still in place. So you need not try to, whatever we did, no, we went through, I think, accounting, then we went through financial accounting, Then I think we went to general ledger. Then we went to master records. Then we went to GL. Then we went to individual posting. Then we went to display changes. All these things we need not do. Next time when we go, we can straight away go to FS04 or whatever number you have at that point. Is that clear?
Yeah, I have a question, Mr. Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Say the user ID can be created separately for auditors so that no, they can have only the view.
That is what they will give, sir. They are supposed to give you a user ID and a password, which password you can change once you are logging in for the first time. Then this will be with you always.
Okay.
This
Because,
user
no,
ID
no,
will be for the auditor. And you will be given only normally the view permission only, because you are not going to do any posting and all. So view permission only will be given.
So when we have the view permission, at that time we can add to this favorites also.
Yeah, anything, sir. See,
Anything.
we are only trying to tell you how you should navigate. Mr. Praveen is an expert in navigation like this, whereas we are all small timers. We remember the T code sometimes, so we directly put the T code and then proceed. But whereas Praveen arguably the best in navigation, so he always used to tell us, sir, don't remember the T code and all. Please do navigation. So that what his idea is, had I put FS04 directly here, let us say FS. Suppose I do this. Hey, what's the mistake I am doing?
Just put FS00.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you will go to this screen. Okay. That is because you want to see this particular transaction. Now, what Mr. Praveen's idea is, when you navigate, you will also come to know what else is in the front and back, what you have. So that no, you will be able to do a better job in the organization or a better auditing job. That is what Mr. Praveen says, which I agreed later on, because as people who are working, you are more worried about that particular task, like a horse which has got a two-side drawn blind. Whereas his idea is, once we go through navigation like this, we have been navigating from here to here. Now you come to know these are all available. So he says you will be able to do much better job. That's what Mr. Praveen says.
What about the
Any-
download part? Because no,
What-
the previous
What
screen.
sir?
Yeah,
In one of
just
the
go to the
sessions-
information system, sir. Just
Okay.
I will go to information system. Yes.
Then just go to the general ledger. Count balance. Just
See. Master data I will go,
yes.
because some places it is
Chart of-
created. I think
Yeah.
I have,
Just list. Just execute the first report. That is chart of account.
we'll have to give the number, no?
Not required. Just give the chart of account. INT.
INT.
Yeah, chart of account in the general below. Not there. That is below in the general selection. Yeah, INT.
INT.
Yeah, that is the name of the chart of account basically.
INT
Okay.
one, international one, no?
Oh, yes, that is also there in the system.
I have
Okay.
given INT one because it was available in the system.
Yeah,
then-
INT is also available. INT one is also available. That is
Okay,
the name
then-
of the chart of account. Just execute.
See, execute button is here. This is, oh, chala gaya wo. Sir, now this is the chart of accounts.
Yeah, this is what we were actually asking. The first question.
Yeah, this is the chart of
Mr.
accounts.
Ramji.
Sir,
Okay.
okay, we will come to that.
Exactly. Yeah.
Just go to the list.
Yeah,
Top node. Top node list is there in the main menu. Or
main menu, list, yes. Print,
export.
export, okay, export.
A spreadsheet.
Spreadsheet.
Yeah.
Now Excel office format, ठीक है, okay.
Okay. Now click.
Click.
Okay. Now here system will asking where you want to store it.
1 minute, yeah. Let me, otherwise I will find it difficult to do it. Yeah, I will call it as test master. Now I have saved. It's trying to create. Allow.
Yes.
It is a bigger database, you know, complete master list. Sir, what it will do now, it will give us a Excel worksheet, which you can now open and then work on it. I mean, whatever you want to do later on, you will be able to do.
Yeah, this is good. Actually, we have to
Hello.
since concentrate on the
Yes.
expenses part and the revenue part.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, sir.
But,
Praveen, shall I come out? It will take more time because it
Yes.
must be a
Okay, no issue.
file. So this is how you do. Okay. And in Excel, HTML format, open office format, all those things. So I am, it is trying to do it. Yeah, it will take time.
Just stop this transaction.
I have done that, no? Because it goes to this one and do. How do you kill that?
And just in the pop-up, there is the icon in the left top. I think so. Three or four line is there. That you click on that, then you
Here.
will get. No,
No,
no. In the pop-up, in this box, in the pop-up
in
box.
this.
Yes. In the top.
This one.
Top.
Top,
Left
I have done
top,
that. See,
left top. No. Left top. Yeah, stop transaction.
stop transaction. No, it is going on. If you see.
It is system performance.
See. Okay.
Okay. Leave it. Okay. In the background, it will stop.
Sir, you have everywhere the system of what do you call having an information, this one. So you will have to find out where it is, and then from that information you will be able to take any kind of list and all. And only thing is you should know where to go to that. So when you do the navigation, then you will be able to always be able to arrive at that. That is what we just wanted to tell you. Now 1 minute, Praveen, I'll try to kill it and then come back. Any other thing from anyone? Anybody needs anything, please?
both the PPT presentation combined with the last few minutes where you showcase
Pardon sir? Sir, your voice is very feeble.
no, the presentation as well as the practical what you have done, that actually gives a very clear idea. This is very good.
Sir, the whole idea was the idea is instead of simply telling, we just wanted to show you also how to do with a real time some data. So since unfortunately this data is quite big, so it is creating a problem, nothing else. Yeah, any doubt by anyone, please? Or otherwise, it's almost close to 2 hours, so we can close the system.
I think it is. This,
Yes, sir.
this session has been very practical and very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So we can meet at 3:05 next week, so that we will be able to find out what is happening in other. It's easy for us to analyze some other products which is available in SAP. I mean in ERP. I'm sorry. So with this, I think we will close down the session. I thank everybody, and especially Mr. Rawat and Mr. Praveen Kumar Jha and all those people who have joined despite the festivities and longer weekend. That is why the attendance has also fallen down. But many people have sent messages that we will see on YouTube or not. Maybe YouTube is there, so they are able to take this recourse. So, sir, Mr. Prabhakar,
Yes, sir.
you have any closing remarks? Prabhakar, Rangarajan, Kumar Rajan, Ramaskanda sir, Kiran Babu, Varun, Harini, Bala. Ramji.
It was a very, very useful presentation, sir. In fact, as he also pointed out, and it is an excellent being able to.
Sir, your voice is very low, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Please go ahead, sir.
Sir, we are able to be really thankful to you in the way you have shown how to exactly go ahead is a very, very, very good exposure that we had. I think I am really thankful to you. This is what we were actually looking for, and it's really very good.
Yeah. Sir, Ramaskanda sir is online. Okay, anyone else, please? Rangarajan sir or anyone?
Yes.
Sir, it has come out very well, sir.
Thanks.
Yes, yes, sir.
Only we will make a checklist of SAP modules which are useful to costing, like MB51, etc., which are related to sales data, etc. We'll make a list, and that we'll take it and further discuss.
Yes, sir. We'll do that, sir. Yeah.
There are certain names of the reports are there which gives the information. So that name of the report will take it. To give an example, MB51 is one where the sales information are available.
Yeah. Sir, what we
So
will
that
do.
we'll make it. By next Sunday, we'll make it and we'll start it.
Yes, sir. Sir, what we propose to do is some of the important e-codes which may be useful to people like us. So I will try to collate them and then send it across to all the participants. Sir. So that will be also one way of you can, in case you have a hands-on, then you can go to that e-code and then find out. That also we will do.
That will be easy.
We will do that, sir. Certainly, we will do
Thank
that.
you.
Kumar Rajan sir, you are telling something. You came on the line.
No, in fact, my only saying is thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
We were able to get some
Thank
new
you. Thank you.
ideas and knowledge about the SAP because I was not having an opportunity to work in that area. So
Okay, sir.
I'm thankful to you for all the efforts you have made to make us to know something on this. But now I'm proud to say that I know a little about what is what. Anyway, let me try to improve upon it. And, thanks
you,
a
sir.
lot once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you.
Praveen and Mr. Rawat, you have any final words, please?
No, as we scheduled that we will in the next session we will be ready with the other alternate ERP products for the especially for SME sector.
Yeah, sure,
So
sure.
we'll meet
Sure.
next time, and thank you all of you to join us.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir. And then
Thank you.
we will close the meeting at this point. And once again, thanks for joining. And then together we will learn more. Thank you very much. Bye.